This is Moni Travels. This is the best cheap hotel in Phnom Penh, Cambodia for $20 a night. Let's dive in and check it out. Hey guys, I'm going to take you on a tour of a best budget hotel right here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Clean rooms, friendly staff, and a very refreshing pool. At the end of this video, you're gonna see exactly what $20 a night will get you when you come and stay right here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and why this is perfect for backpackers, families, solo travelers, and Mahoney Travel's personal favorite. Let's go inside. One of the first things you guys will notice when you arrive is the hotel staff speaks very good English, and that's very refreshing because as an American, I'm not fluent in Khmer quite yet. I'm getting there. Whether you guys come by airplane from another country into Phnom Penh International Airport, or like me, I drove a car here today and they have safe parking for motorbikes and cars, and I never have to worry about anything on the outside coming in to get my stuff. Why I love this place and why I know you will too, at $20 a night, you get value, you get quality, and most importantly, a good night's rest. And it is centrally located, everybody, okay? Downtown, literally 2-minute walk, 1 block from the mighty Mekong River. Shops, restaurants, and of course, a lot of bars on Street 136 right here. Whether you're just coming for a night on your way to Siem Reap, or a night on the way to Koh Rong, or a night on your way to Kampot, anywhere in Cambodia, this is the place to stay right here for your first night, or many nights, or any night in Phnom Penh. If you guys are wanting to know how to get around Cambodia, check out my playlist right here. Transportation options right here in Cambodia. Everything from buses, vans, cars, PASAP, motorbike, and airplanes. All right, just to show you guys the location here, we've got the hotel right there and literally a short walk. I'm on the corner here, okay? We've got all kinds of street food here. If you go down this street here to the end, right there by that big tree, that's the Mekong River and the River Walk, all right? We've got a 7-Eleven right here, okay? So for those of you Westerners that like the 7-Eleven, you get all your convenient stuff there. And then you've got just all kinds of shops and restaurants. I gotta be careful because Phnom Penh's crazy in the traffic here. That is the night market right there, everybody, okay? Want to do a little souvenir shopping, get a little food, some goodies. They've got it all right here. They got pass-apps, they've got everything right here for your convenience. Stay tuned, guys, to the end of the video for the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. Would you stay at this hotel? Leave in the comment section down below, yes or no. All right, let's go upstairs, guys, and check out room 401 and room 706 and see what your value gets. Yeah, let's go check this out. Look at this great elevator. There's mirrors everywhere. It really shows me how old I am. All right, the door is open. Oh, almost got caught. All right, room 401. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. Very basic, very clean. For $20 a night, you get a nice kettle, which is very standard here. I love the coffee, by the way. This is one of my favorite coffees. I can't get enough of that. I want to buy some for the house. Room 401's got a really nice view of Street 136. And if you know 136, there's a lot of bars out there and a lot of nightlife. But check out this comfortable bed, guys. This is my go-to place. Mahoney Travels loves this place. My girlfriend says this is her favorite in Phnom Penh. And like I said, for the value, you cannot go wrong. Bathroom's got everything you need. They give you nice little things like shampoo, conditioner. Look at that, Western toilet paper. Come on now. Who's not happy with that? And the bum gun, oh yeah. Standard Khmer hot shower, so you get some hot water, get fresh and clean for your night on the town. Just to show you guys an outside view of room 401, if you book this room, this is Street 136 right here, okay? All the bars right here. It is a wild time at night. It's a great place to sit and relax if you don't want to get out and get your feet wet and watch all the action. All right, room 706. Oh my goodness, I feel the ice cold aircon. I feel like I'm in Alaska. Wow, this is pretty cool. It's got a nice smart TV. I like the little dining area there. A cool little couch. Nice, cozy, comfortable bed, and that ice cold aircon. Boy, you cannot help but feel that. I love that. And well, much bigger bathroom. You can fit like maybe 4 people. So if you have a night on the town, ooh, you can have a lot of fun in here. Same thing here, everybody. They've got all the Western comforts, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, you name it. I like that sink. How about that? You get a nice view out this back window of the Mekong River and all of downtown, which is pretty cool. They've got your coffee again, my favorite. Nice bottle of water, and of course the kettle. Oh, look at that tucked away. Ladies, yeah, hair dryer for you, and a mini fridge for all of your beverages that you may want to consume while you are here in Phnom Penh. Appreciate you guys watching the video today. If you haven't had a chance yet, like and subscribe to the channel. Mahoney Travels is all over Cambodia, and I got everything for you guys that you want to know about your next trip or your move to Cambodia. All right, hope I got your attention. Let's go upstairs and check out the pool. This is gonna be awesome. All right, let's check out the pool. Last but not least, they've got a nice little karaoke system here. For those of you that like to sing, I love this pool table over here. This is probably a really happening place at night. They've got a full restaurant menu, guys. I have not tried the food. However, the pictures I've seen look absolutely delicious. And look at that view. We got the Mekong River right over there, and they got all these nice lights, neon lights, as well as party lights for your nighttime vibes. Let's go check out this pool though. I think this is a great value for $20 a night starting at. Wow. And look at that. Whoa, nice and refreshing. It is a very hot day here, so I might go for a swim after this. But I like the privacy that you get here. And we'll give you guys a pan of a 360 here. They've got a nice selection of liquor, Bailey's, Malibu, little Jack Daniels, a little bit of Delicious, and of course you can catch your favorite football games right there on the boob tube. The good, the bad, and for what it's worth. All right, 20 bucks a night. What does it get you? It gets you a nice cozy room, very comfortable bed, free coffee, which I love, you know that. And it's in the heart of downtown, guys. I'm talking 1 block to the Mekong River, the River Walk, all right? You've got the King's Palace right up the road here. Everything's walking distance. And Street 136 for some fun and debauchery right here in Phnom Penh. You don't have to go to Thailand or Soi 6. You can do everything you want to do right here in Cambodia. And what's more is English-speaking staff, very, very friendly. And for the value, you cannot go wrong. Across the street, there's another hotel, and they're like starting at 60 bucks a night for a very basic room. As an American that lives here as an expat, I like my value, and this place offers value and quality. All right, the bad. I can't find much bad because when I do a hotel review for you guys, I try to look for it. However, I always give you guys hotel reviews and restaurant reviews, places that I go to myself. So who knows, I might see you here sometime. However, if you are looking for a more upscale, like very ritzy, you're on holiday and you want to burn some money, there are better places where you can spend more money. But Cambodia is a value country, all right? Your money goes a long ways here, and you can get exceptional value for just 20 bucks a night right here at the Queenwood Hotel on Street 136. For what it's worth, all right. I will tell you, because I give you guys hotel reviews from places that I actually have stayed at, all right? I've been there, I've tried it, and I will never tell you guys a place that is not good, all right? Because, like I said, I try it before I buy it, and I just tell you guys my answers. For what it's worth, it's centrally located. We got that. It's got great food. It's got a full bar. It's Street 136, so if you want to go out and have some fun. And if you're just here for one night, all right, the bus station is right down the road, Vitterbrand, you've got Larita Express, all the great hotel buses. We're going to come down to Kampot on a bus. They got hourly vans at Larita here going to Siem Reap, but they also have vans as well that go down to Kampot. Check out the video, Cozy House Hotel and Retreat in Kampot I just did. You guys will love that place. If you're slow traveling, This is a great place here to start your journey right here in Cambodia. A lot of you will fly into this country right here at the international airport, which is literally about a $1 pass-out right away. And you can't go wrong here, guys. Your value goes a long ways. If you got Western money, you really goes a long ways. And you will never be disappointed right here at the Queenwood Hotel in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. If you guys have not had a chance to like and subscribe yet to the channel, we appreciate that, and welcome to Mahoney Travels family. But until next time, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. We'll see you at the Queenwood Hotel right here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Until next time.